Extreme fear grips crypto at 2,500, yet Ethereum quietly rallies 7.5%, while Bitcoin stalls below resistance.
Good day, investors, and welcome to Aurelian Wealth. The crypto market is caught in a tense standoff today. Bitcoin holds the throne at $64,055, commanding a 1.28 trillion market cap, but it's down 1% on the day. Ethereum tells a brighter story, up 7.5% over 7 days at $1,883. Sentiment, however, is fragile. The fear and greed index sits firmly in extreme fear, keeping the broader tone defensive and cautious. Let's dive into Bitcoin, trading at $64,055, down 1.0% on the day, but up 1.8% over the week. The RSI 14 reads 37.5, neutral but leaning toward oversold, suggesting selling pressure without full capitulation. The MACD is flashing bearish, sitting at 79.45 below its signal line of plus 2980, with a deeply negative histogram of minus 1925. Watch key support at $61,825 and resistance at $65,600. A break below support could accelerate downside, so traders may consider a stop loss just under $61,500 to manage risk. Not financial advice, though. Ethereum is the relative standout, trading at $1,083.39, up 0.3% on the day and a strong 7.5% over the week. The RSI 14 sits at 38.9 in neutral territory, echoing Bitcoin's cautious stance. Momentum remains bearish, though. The MACD at plus 3.76 has slipped below its signal line of 10.35 with a histogram of 6.9. Support holds it at $750 on the 3-day and $1,732 on the 7-day, with resistance capped at $947. A stop loss near 700 would protect against a breakdown. Not financial advice, DWOR. Among the rest of the top 5, the stablecoins Tether and USDC are doing their job, flat and steady at $1 with negligible movement. BNB is holding firm at $576.32, down a marginal 0.1% on the day, but up 0.7% for the week, keeping its $76.7 billion market cap intact. With no major catalyst driving the majors, this is a consolidation phase where Ethereum's 7-day strength remains the clearest bright spot on the board. Turning to today's trending tickers, Akato, ADI, and the Black Bull are dominating search interest. These names are riding community hype and speculative momentum rather than established fundamentals. In an extreme fear environment, low-cap tokens can swing violently in both directions, offering outsized reward but equally outsized risk. Always scrutinize tokenomics, liquidity, and team credibility before touching these plays. Now to sentiment and the whales. The fear and greed index reads 25 out of 100, deep in extreme fear, signaling elevated selling pressure and cautious positioning across the board. Historically, extreme fear can mark accumulation zones for contrarian investors. On the whale front, it's notably quiet. No major Bitcoin transfers above $1 million were tracked in the last 24 hours, suggesting large players are sitting tight and waiting for clearer direction. Looking ahead over the next 24 to 48 hours, Bitcoin must defend $61,025 support to avoid deeper losses, with 65,600ers the key resistance to reclaim for bullish confirmation. Ethereum needs to hold above 750 and break 947 to extend its weekly strength. With macro eyes on the Fed and a firm dollar, plus extreme fear at 25, risk management is paramount. Size positions conservatively and honor your stops. Not financial advice, DWOR. If this breakdown helped, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for daily crypto recaps, technical analysis, and whale alerts here on Aurelian Wealth.